Hi, boys and girls, it's Mrs. Sassman, and I'm going to get you started on your math lesson today. So, you're going to first open Buzz today, and you're going to see your agenda, and you're going to come down to math, okay? And this is what it's going to look like for you today, okay? You're going to first watch this video, and then you're going to come down here, and you're going to open up this link right here, Intro to 5 Frames, okay? And I'm going to click on it, and this is what's going to come up. It's going to say copy document, make a copy. And I want you to press the blue box here that says make a copy. All right, and that's going to open up the slides that you need to follow today, okay? I'm going to get you started on the first two slides, and then you're going to finish on your own as part of your work today. So last week during math, we looked at shoes. So this week, we're not going to look at shoes anymore, okay? But to get us started today, I want you to think about what goes into your shoe. What body part do you have to put into your shoe? Think about it a moment. To get your shoe on, what body part do you have to put into that shoe? Well, it's your foot, right? And how many toes do you have on your foot? How many toes do you have? Okay, if you said 5, you are right, because you should have 5 toes on your foot, okay? So think about that as they show you the next slide. What do you notice about these pictures? How many do you see in each group of things when you look? Think about a moment. Have some think about it time and do some counting if you need to. Okay, when you look at each group, you should see 5. There's 5 crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 apples on the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 chairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you look over here, you see 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this week, you're going to see the number 5 a lot, and we're going to be working with 5 things a lot, okay? So let's look here. This special math tool is called a 5 frame. Think right now, why do you think that this is called a 5 frame? Why might this be called a 5 frame? Okay, think about it, then you can tell me. Can shout out for me and see if you can get me to hear it all the way here while I'm at school and you're at home. Why do you think that this is called a 5 frame? Hey, well, boys and girls, this is called a 5 frame because it has 5 frames or 5 squares or 5 boxes on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This special math tool is called a 5 frame. And we're going to see it a lot this week during our math lessons, and we're going to get to use it to do some counting and do some different things, okay? So today, you're going to get to see more of this 5 frame, and you're going to get to practice a little bit, okay? So now, you're going to go on your own, okay? I'm not going to help you through these parts because these next parts are pretty easy and you can do them yourself, okay? But I'm going to give you a few hints. As you go through the next slides, if you click on these parts here, okay, you can press play, and then they'll start talking to you. So it's okay that you can't read the directions. If you click on these parts here and press play, they'll read the directions to you, okay? So on this first slide here, you're just gonna look at the dots, and then you're gonna drag the cubes to match it, okay? So if you see 1, 2 dots, then you're gonna have to drag 1 cube, 2 cubes to make it match, okay? So not too tricky at all, okay? Just remember that you can click on here to hear some directions, okay? And then you're just gonna go through the next slides, okay? And you're gonna follow along and you're gonna finish them, okay? So you're gonna keep going through and practicing with your 5 frame. You're going to practice some counting, and you're going to practice moving some cubes, some Unifix cubes over, okay? All right. I will see everybody very soon at school.